Recurring transactions are pretty useful in a number of different situations, like payroll or DCAing. And so we built a schedule feature into the product. This is still in its MVP state, but let's just run through what it looks like to create a schedule. So let's call this funding and testing account. And we'll have this start tomorrow, and it'll run weekly. It'll move funds from our treasury account. We'll move USDC. That sounds fine. And let's add the recipient. This is going to be Eng testing. And let's put in, let's top it up with about $25 each week. Now I could add more recipients if I'd like, but for the time being, we'll just keep it as that and say fund and testing account. And so even though I don't have USDC right now, that's not an issue. I just need to make sure I have USDC in this treasury account before I go and create this first actual transaction, before I go and execute it. So I'll hit create, and now we can see that weekly on Wednesdays, we will be moving funds from our treasury into our Eng testing account. And so from there, we can add in a lot more functionality. You can do swaps and things of that sort through this as well. But that's just kind of the basic of create a recurring transaction that repeats at a set frequency.